We just received an order and today we are going to take you along and show you how we prepare your order for shipment. At GCIron we stock thousands of OEM parts straight from the manufacturer, and each part is carefully labeled and cataloged so we can quickly find whichever part you're looking for. Using the order slip we can determine which parts we need to grab. This order calls for a proximity sensor and a drive steer kit for JLG machines, along with a couple of decals. Their individual part numbers will all be linked down below in the description. Using genuine JLG parts is the best way to maintain the quality and value of your JLG aerial work platforms, such as scissor lifts, boom lifts, vertical lifts, and forklifts. Dealing directly with a JLG distributor, like GCIron.com, is a great way to reduce downtime and future repair costs. These JLG replacement parts are designed to meet your machine's original specifications. Once we've located and collected all the necessary parts, all that's left to do is pack the order, apply the shipping label, and send it your way. And now we're off to the next order. Thanks for watching.